Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your operating system and permissions. This matters because widgets integrate at the system level. Open the Microsoft Store or a trusted widget app, then sign in with your account. Once done, search for the widget by name or category and read the brief description to check compatibility. Make sure to note version numbers and any dependencies. Some widgets require a helper app. Now select Install or Add to Desktop, so the download begins, and the initial files are placed on your PC. You'll now configure the widget so it's useful on your desktop. Launch it from Start or the Widgets panel, then drag it to your preferred position and resize with the corner handles. This ensures it fits your screen layout. Next, connect any data source. Link your calendar, weather feed, or an RSS URL so the content updates live. Once linked, tweak refresh intervals and display options. Shorter intervals show fresher data but use more resources. Make sure to save or apply settings before moving on. Finish by setting how the widget behaves on startup. Choose Auto Start if you want it every session, or Manual to save boot time. Test updates and observe CPU and RAM use. If performance dips, close non-essential widgets and lower refresh rates. If a widget fails, first restart it, then reinstall or reset its settings. Make sure firewall or antivirus aren't blocking data connections and verify permissions in settings. If problems persist, consult the widget's support within the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.